Hello, welcome to the vlog. I think this is my first vlog literally since the baby was born, and she's 5 months now. I had a lot of editing to catch up on, so I haven't really needed to record anything, so that's why. But anyway, we're back, and today we're actually going to look at buggies, like light kind of strollers and stuff that we can bring on holidays with us. But I also want one that we can use here, and I'm not ready to give up on the iCandy. I'll still be using that. I feel like I haven't got enough use out of it because she didn't like it when she was young. She's literally just listening in. She's such a cutie. So I think something sturdy. I was kind of like really wanting something that was airline approved and that would fit in the overhead, but then I've heard mixed things made if you even always get to do that and whatever. So I do want something sturdy and that we can still use. I don't only want it for this holiday. I want it to last, and I feel like when she's a bit older she'll probably mostly use that rather than the travel system maybe. I don't know, we'll see what happens. But yeah, it'd be great to have one that we can keep in Con's car and just leave the iCandy in mine, and then also if she's older and like my parents or Con's parents are minding her, we can leave it at theirs or whatever. We'll see. So I just feel like it'd be really handy, so I definitely want to make sure that we get one that we will actually use and that will last us for like hopefully a few holidays, not just the one, as well as a bit of everyday life. So yeah, I've looked at so many reviews and I've also asked you guys for so much advice, and it's like some things are like only good reviews and then other things are like really good reviews or really bad reviews, so I don't really know where to start. But the best place is definitely just like trying them out myself. We already went, actually I should have vlogged it, we went to Smith's. I did a TikTok post on it and had a look at theirs. They've got definitely like more of the cheaper ones in stock. They've got other ones as well, but they have mostly the cheaper ones. I also went to Baby Doc Shop, sorry, as well, and had a quick look. They only had 3 I think on display. Good girl. But I mostly went there to look at the Silver Cross Click, and since then I've heard very mixed reviews on that one, so I don't know about that. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go have a look. I have never been out to Kaliedy. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Kaliedy. I think they're in Bray, so we're gonna go out now and have a look. So I'm excited to see their like little shop and what they have in stock and to try stuff out. It's definitely good. I feel like I ended up only seeing the colour iCandy that we ended up going with because I went to Baby Doc Shop rather than Mama's and Papa's, so it's nice to like actually look in the shops and see the different colours and stuff, because I hadn't seen the colour I got before in it. So yeah, excited. They have some new colours in iCandy.
So you get your bumper bar included in that price, a rain cover and a really handy little carry bag.
Okay.
Whereas for all the other ones like the Mini, you have to buy the bumper bar separate. It does come with the seat liner as well, which you can remove for easy washing. It's not reversible though, unlike the Pip. The system isn't as nice as the Pip either, in my opinion. It does have a bigger basket.
Okay.
You've got again your stock go brake system, and then the fold. They're all single hand folds, so they're really nice and compact. And then you've got your little carry strap there.
Great. Yeah, it is nice.
Lie flat. It's probably got the lowest in terms of the lie flat of all 3. They have slightly bigger wheels than the previous version, and they've taken out all the white on the wheels, which is nice.
Right. Yeah.
I'm a big fan of the white.
Yeah.
Giving you a really good sun protection there, and then a nice peekaboo window there. And then the fold again, just looking over it. So they're all the IATA approved ones.
Oh yeah, okay.
So they're all the cabin approved ones. And then we've got the travel and care, which is a really good value option.
Yeah.
So if you didn't want to spend over €400 on one,
yeah, which is very
brilliant.
Fair. Yeah.
But they're not IATA, so they don't fold down just quite as compact.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do you think of the Silver Cross Click?
Yeah, I really like it. It used to be my favourite before we got the new 3.
Yeah.
They brought out a newer version which we don't have yet.
Okay.
This is the older version.
Yeah.
It's really nice. It's very light.
Yeah.
You said you didn't.
It looks small. Yeah, it's just, I've heard it's not that sturdy or good on like uneven ground.
It actually, compared to those three now, the handlebars, it's quite
It's tiny,
flimsy.
yeah.
You want to sit up?
Where are you?
Hi. What age is she?
5.5 months, yeah. She'll be 6 months just gone when we go.
Gone,
Yeah. They're so light, aren't they? Compared to... We just realised it also has the same hooks that our Peach 7 has, so we can hang on our iCandy bag, which is very handy.
Where's this? Oh, Jesus Christ. This all?
We also do the molds here. Are you joking me? Hello, so I thought I would fill you in on how we got on at Kaliedy. And yeah, it was really good out there. They had so much stuff, like it's huge. The showroom has so much in it. It's actually one of the best ones out of all baby shops that I've been to. I've only been to like 2. There is not many here, to be fair. Oh no, there is. There's like 3 others, and it's the biggest showroom I've been to. It had the most stuff on display, so really good if you're like expecting or whatever and you just want to go look at everything. Laura, who was looking after us, showed us all the kind of strollers. So they had like a bit of everything. They had like good enough like cheap ones, like the Travel and what's it called, and then Travel and Go, is it? And then the Hawk, and they had all those. They had the Silver Cross Click, that's kind of like an in-between one that's not travel approved, but I think it's like the right size to go in the overhead. And then they had the like 3 big main kind of more expensive brands, the Upper Baby, the iCandy Pip that I was dying to see in person, and the Bugaboo Butterfly. They had the new one and the old one, and I really liked the Bugaboo. So did Con, it was really good, but then also loved the iCandy Pip because I'm just an iCandy girl. I just can't veer away from it. I just adore it. Yeah, and I was like, I really was like, oh, do I try a different brand? Like, just why not, you know what I mean? But I think I'll probably end up, I haven't ordered it or anything. I haven't done anything still. I'm still not sorted, but it's probably my favorite one. I think it is, and it comes with like everything. Like the Bugaboo was gorgeous, but it didn't come with like so many things, and it ends up being more expensive. They're all expensive, but more expensive than the others, whereas iCandy, like our iCandy travel system, came with accessories you can't even imagine. Like it came with everything. So yeah, and it just comes in a really nice colour as well. I just was like, oh, I loved it when I saw it. You don't hear that much about it. I think that's why I was like not expecting to like it as much as I like it, because it's so new. Like not that many people obviously have it yet. But yeah, I loved how it looked. I loved how sturdy it was, how light it was. Like it didn't seem like a cheap travel buggy, if you know what I mean. Like other ones that I've tried are very light, and you're like, yeah, it's great that they're so light and like handy and whatever, but you just don't know how like sturdy they are and how nice they are like on like uneven ground or whatever when you're away. But yeah, really liked it. It felt sturdy. It was that and the Bugaboo were my 2 favourites. The Upper Baby was the one I was interested in, but when I saw it I was kind of underwhelmed. I don't know what it was, but I just was drawn to the other two a lot more, and I'm not a huge Bugaboo fan. I don't know what it is about them. I like them, but I don't like they're not my top. Like my tops when I was buying our travel system was the iCandy and the Upper Baby, but yeah, I was really impressed. But yeah, the iCandy is just, they've really done a good job. Like I actually couldn't fault it, to be fair. It was like really comfy as well. Like the straps and stuff were like, it's like the cushiony bit on them was so soft, and yeah, it was really good, really practical. And like they had it in a really nice cream color, because I was actually thinking like all black. I just want like something that's really handy, really light, really convenient, like, and like when she's eating and it doesn't get ruined or whatever. But then Laura, who was helping us, was saying to me like, that's gonna attract the heat though, like for when you're away. So I was like, oh, and yeah, then I wasn't complaining because I adored the color, the like cream color. So it has like a lovely cream hood, and then it's a lot of black, and the like seat that they sit in can be either cream or black. It has like a, what's the word, like a liner that they sit on, which you can obviously take out and wash and everything, which makes it so handy. I think most of them have that, but it's reversible, so you can have a black or cream. So it's kind of like the black's practical for here, but then when you're away you don't have the black, and it's not attracting heat to where the baby's sitting, because you know, if like it's in the sun and then you put them in and then they're roasting. So yeah, I'm really liking it in the cream at the moment. So I'll keep you guys updated, but that is my thoughts. Yeah, need to get it sorted soon because we're going away soon, so I will have it sorted. I just need to think about it. Going to pick up our new book, are we? So we picked up our travel stroller. I'm going to show you which one we got now. I'm so excited. So we got the iCandy Pip. Let's open it up together. Oh my god, it's in the bag. This is the travel bag that it comes with. How handy is that? The little insert is also in there. It's reversible, so it could be cream or black. The bar, literally like everything comes with the iCandy. Rain cover, the travel bag that I've already shown you. And then here she is. And there's also, we've got a hand strap, so you can carry it like really easily like that. It's just gorgeous. I just loved it when I saw it. Okay, so there's two buttons that you press in, and there we go. So it depends on which one you get, but obviously this one has, it's a colour latte that I went for, and I'm obsessed. So the hood's latte, and then this is also latte, but it's reversible, so you can also have a black, which is so handy. Okay, so the seat liner is on. Honestly, what I've noticed straight away compared to other ones that I was looking at was how like comfortable the straps look. Like they're so spongy and everything's just so soft, and obviously they all are removable as well to wash them, which is so important. And then the hood is so nice and big. It has a bit here that extends. There we go. And then this bit can be covered or uncovered. And yeah, it's just perfect. Like the wheels are so smooth. Feels really light, really sturdy, really smooth. Lovely basket underneath. And then they also have hooks here on either side, so you can hook on your bag. I've got an iCandy bag because I had the Peach 7. Just put on the little bar here and you can just move it up and down. It lies completely flat in, so let me just show you that. There it is lying down. And then there is a little pocket there for your phone and money or whatever bits and bobs. So just so that you guys know, the iCandy Pip was gifted to us, but basically I worked with Kaliedy as a collab and I went out and chose my favourite, and then was really kindly gifted the iCandy Pip by iCandy. That's the one that I chose. It was my favourite. I was between that and the Bugaboo. They're my two favourite, but there's just something about iCandy. I'm just an iCandy girl through and through. They just do it for me. I don't know what it is. It's just my style, I guess. But yeah, I love it. I'm so happy with it and I can't wait to put it to use. This video isn't part of the collaboration or anything. I don't have to do it, but I just like doing this kind of content for my YouTube channel as well. So hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye.